Hey everyone! A lot of you have been asking how our American alligator Rex has been doing now that we have this new security camera in place, and she's been doing great. So we took some of our favorite clips of her playing with her toys and moving all around to string together for a video for you. Excuse her low water level though, I'm pretty sure popped this pool as well, and as you can see she's been tearing apart all of the truck bed liner around this pool. But the good news is she moves into her new enclosure at the facility in just a month or two. So it'll be a shorter video than usual, but I hope you enjoy it.
Rex, should we spy on you?
She learned how to throw her toys.
I think I saw that clip.
Rex likes dance lighting. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. As always, we'd like to thank our amazing Patreon supporters for all of your generosity and support on this channel. Again, I'm sorry this is kind of a shorter video, but I'm actually in my painting clothes right now. We're gonna go paint the bathrooms at our new facility today, so we have to head out. We're crazy busy, but I hope you still enjoyed today's Rex update. Thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, now I know how you throw your toy out of your pool.
Yeah. We know how much you do when we're not around.
Yeah, really.
Don't be bashful.